Yeah, because that's pretty neat.
So this
kids make them like that out of cardboard very often?
Yeah, sometimes it's pretty well known. That's that you can buy some cardboard stuff like that sometimes at A Main Hobbies. That might be a flight test plane.
You guys made them, right?
Yeah.
You guys actually bent it, made it.
Oh yeah, the car. That's really cool.
To teach them about the engineering. So what's better than you
know? Yeah, look at the airfoil and all.
Get together.
Yeah. So here I am. This is Kosho 619. We're out here at the go-kart track today, and we just met up with these kids that got Spektrum radios. He's got his Spektrum IX12 going on, blue version, and Matt's over here flying his drone way up in the air, Mavic. And so they built these planes, and these are cardboard. And pretty good engineering. I think every kid in school ought to be able to make something like this someday and learn how they work. And here's Josh about to checking his out. Got a little airfoil, looks really good. So we'll see here. See what he's gonna do. You get warmed up, and I'll keep the video going. We get a little flight in right here. So.
There. Okay. Cool. So you can see the plane. Okay.
Right.
Check that out though. Look at that thing, how that thing goes. It's amazing. And it's got a gyro in it that helps you keep it stable, right?
Yep.
I mean, it doesn't fly it, but it'll help you.
Yeah, so basically I could just let it go straight and it'll pretty much stay straight, but then it's up to me to.
How far can you fly it away from you?
It'll do about a half a mile, but I could spec it out and stuff, but it's a pretty small plane, so.
So if you wanted to fly it like to the water tanks and back, it would do that?
Yeah, if you could see it, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm kind of old though, so it's hard to see, but yeah, basically, we're way up there now. We're at like 400 feet. So then we'll bust into a flat spin.
Oh, and the drone's over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. See it? Yeah, look at that. Look at that thing. Damn near a helicopter. And do they have competitions with this stuff?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. We fly a lot of indoor with these actually, and do stuff something called the electric tournament of champions, and it's a flight.
Race outdoors too?
They do all kinds of. There's people that do pylon racing and things, but most of the time I'm more into the aerobatic stuff and helicopters. But I've just been demoing my whole life, and now it's just something I do for a hobby, but kind of on more of a professional level. I'm a contractor. I own a door company called Pro Door San Diego.
You own a what now?
A door company, like Ron Esau. Yeah, I'm Ron's competitor. Not really. I'd work with him. He don't pay me enough though. But yeah.
You got a supply company then?
Yes, sir. I put in entryways and interior doors and things, and basically build custom openings.
Oh, okay.
So I pre-hang and things, kind of like Ron, but just by myself. I don't have any employees just because it's hard to manage everybody, and I take enough cheese for myself basically, and that's about it. But
you do the metal doors, all that stuff?
yes, sir. Yeah, I do timely frames, hollow metal. I stay away from garage doors and overhead roll-ups and things, but I do generally everything else.
Okay, give it a shot.
Okay, I'll put this down so you guys can concentrate.
What do you work out of your garage?
Yeah, I work out of my home. I got a van I work out of basically that's just a rolling shop.
Good. Yeah.
So it's. Oh yeah.
Come on, so much louder.
Pressure's
All right,
on.
let's go.
I'm feeling
Oh yeah. That thing's got a lot of power.
Pretty hard to control though.
Yeah.
going under a drone.
Be a lot easier. You got a stabilizer on.
Yeah, really, we could get you one.
Look how good you're doing.
Doing really good. I could show you something to buy and you'd be.
Oh, yeah, he could probably tune you right in.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's great for a homemade plane.
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I killed it.
Huh?
I just killed the puddle.
So everybody watching on
Fly
YouTube,
some more, fly some more.
this is how it should be. You know, we're out here in the morning. And that was a really nice crash. That wasn't even bad.
That was easy on his belly.
That was easy on the belly.
On your belly.
No problem.
Yeah, it'll take off, won't it?
Here, I'll get mine real quick.
Got grandpa and the kids.
We'll throw it here. What do you need?
You just go like this and then toss it.
I'll get it. Here, let me put this.
I'll move this bad boy out of the way.
What do you want me to do?
It's the helis. There you go. All right, that flies really good. Take it right.
That's great for
Woohoo.
stuff you made, yeah?
Yeah, it is. It flies awesome.
Yeah? That flies good.
Woohoo!
Yeah, I'll get out of the way.
Yeah, good
There you
job.
go.
Yeah?
Perfect.
Did you guys get the plans off the internet, the dimensions?
Yeah, there's like a
This is internet cardboard plane.
Oh,
Woo-hoo-hoo!
good job.
You got it.
Saved it
Good save.
I'm trying to fly like
How long will those motors last?
I don't know.
You're doing good, man.
See if you can fly right around the track, like you're in the go-kart. Whoa.
There you go. Get a hold of her, Jesse.
Here, fly around it. Like,
There you go, man.
go the opposite way, like you're in a pylon.
Yeah,
Well, I don't really know what to do.
You're good, buddy.
you're all right.
Ask. You're doing fine. Turn your rudder right or whatever it is.
Yeah, left. There you go. Left, left.
There you go.
There you
'cause
go.
The track would be perfect to practice.
You're doing good.
Yeah. No. He's gonna bug you.
You're doing really good, John.
They used to have places you could do this, but
Yeah, we still do. You can come to my field down in Choice.
There's a couple spots.
Is there?
Yeah.
And we fly across from Choice Lake. It's an AMA field, and
okay.
you just buy a simple AMA card. It's like $58 for the year. It covers you with
okay.
insurance, and the membership's like $80. But
And you fly right at the lake?
no, it's across the street at the old dump.
Oh,
The old
okay,
Choice
little
dump.
site.
Yep. Yeah, we have you get the combo to the gate basically, and go there anytime you want.
Oh, that's cool.
And it's wide open and it's huge, so.
Be careful. Stay
Yeah, stay. Yeah, it's a good thing to stay in front of yourself instead of
Yeah.
behind.
right. And listen, he knows.
Yeah.
So listen to him.
Yeah.
He's trying to teach you.
And I'm watching you fly too. We're gonna do some trick stuff to your radio to help you.
Yeah, I need to.
We need to put some exponential in that for you. I think it'll help.
What is that?
It softens the stick a little bit in the center, so it's like a shock absorber somewhat.
Oh, okay.
There you go. You get it. You get it. Just calm down. There you go. There you go. Oh, right on. Still all right, man. Yeah. Woohoo!
Fly that again.
Here we go. Just crashed and flying again. The puppy takes off good.
Was that supposed to be like a B tube? Tube?
Oh, it looks like a tomcat.
I should probably turn around.
Yeah. That flies pretty damn good. For something you built cardboard and a motor.
American kids.
That's totally cool.
Oh, wait.
Huh?
This is America.
Yeah.
So awesome.
These guys live in Carmel Valley. So they
These guys are doing